Many people believe that becoming wealthy in Kenya requires being born into a rich family, winning the lottery, or earning a huge salary. The truth is different. Wealth is usually built slowly through discipline, smart decisions, patience, and consistency. Many successful Kenyans started with very little. They learned valuable skills, saved regularly, invested wisely, and avoided unnecessary debt. Anyone can begin this journey regardless of their current income. The most important step is to start today instead of waiting for the perfect time. The first thing you need to understand is the difference between being rich and being wealthy. A rich person may have a high income and spend almost everything they earn. A wealthy person owns valuable assets that continue to generate income over time. These assets may include businesses, investments, rental property, government securities, shares, or productive farmland. Wealth means having financial security even when you are not actively working every day. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial future. Stop believing that money is only for certain people. Instead, see money as a tool that can help you create opportunities, support your family, and improve your quality of life. Wealthy people usually focus on solving problems, creating value, and learning new skills. They understand that every small financial decision affects their future. The next step is to know exactly where your money goes every month. Many people earn enough to improve their lives, but cannot explain how they spent their income. Write down every source of income and every expense. Include rent, food, transport, school fees, entertainment, mobile money charges, subscriptions, and small daily purchases. Once you see the full picture, you can identify areas where you are wasting money. Living below your means is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. This does not mean living a miserable life. It simply means spending less than you earn. If you earn Kenya shillings 50,000 every month and spend Kenya shillings 40,000, you have Kenya shillings 10,000 available for saving and investing. If you spend Kenya shillings 60,000 while earning Kenya shillings 50,000, you will continue borrowing and struggling financially. Before thinking about investing, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. You may lose your job, face a medical emergency, or experience a business slowdown. Having savings that can cover several months of essential expenses helps you avoid expensive loans during difficult times. Many financial experts recommend keeping this money in a safe and easily accessible place instead of investing it in risky opportunities. Increasing your income is equally important. There is only so much you can save if your income remains low. Learn skills that employers and customers value. These may include digital marketing, software development, graphic design, accounting, electrical installation, plumbing, carpentry, tailoring, farming, photography, content creation, or online freelancing. As your skills improve, your earning potential usually increases as well. If you are employed, become excellent at your work. Arrive on time, complete tasks well, continue learning, and build good relationships with colleagues and clients. Promotions and salary increases often come to people who consistently provide value. At the same time, consider building another source of income outside your main job. This could be a small business, consulting, tutoring, online services, farming, or selling products through social media. Do not rely on one source of income forever. If that single source disappears, your finances can collapse overnight. Wealthy people usually have several income streams. For example, someone may receive a salary, earn profits from a business, receive rental income, collect dividends from investments, and earn money from digital products. Building multiple income streams takes time, but it greatly improves financial security. Avoid bad debt whenever possible. Not all debt is harmful. Borrowing to buy equipment that helps your business grow may be beneficial if you have a clear repayment plan. However, borrowing money for expensive clothes, luxury phones, holidays, or unnecessary lifestyle upgrades often creates long-term financial pressure. Before taking any loan, ask yourself whether the purchase will increase your income or simply increase your expenses. Learn how investing works. Saving alone is usually not enough because inflation slowly reduces the purchasing power of money over time. Investing allows your money to work for you. Kenya offers many investment opportunities suitable for beginners. These include money market funds, savings and credit cooperative societies, treasury bills, treasury bonds, shares listed on the Securities Exchange, and real estate. Each investment has different levels of risk, returns, and liquidity, so it is important to understand them before investing. Money market funds have become popular because many allow people to start with relatively small amounts while providing easier access to their money than many long-term investments. They are often used for emergency funds and short-term savings. Treasury bills and treasury bonds are government securities that are generally considered among the lower-risk investment options for long-term investors. Shares can provide higher long-term growth, but their prices can rise and fall significantly over shorter periods. Do not chase investments that promise to double your money within a few weeks. If an opportunity sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Kenya has experienced many investment scams targeting people looking for quick wealth. Before investing, understand how the investment works, who regulates it, what risks exist, and how returns are generated. Never invest money simply because friends or relatives are doing so. Starting a business can be one of the fastest ways to build wealth, but it also comes with risk. Successful businesses solve real problems. Instead of copying every popular business idea, identify needs within your community. Ask yourself what products or services people need regularly, and how you can provide better quality or better customer service. Begin small if necessary, learn from your mistakes, and reinvest profits instead of spending them immediately. Networking also matters. Many opportunities come through relationships rather than advertisements. Attend business events, join professional associations, participate in community groups, and connect with successful entrepreneurs. Be known as someone who is honest, reliable, and hardworking. Your reputation can become one of your most valuable assets. Protect the wealth you build. Keep proper financial records. Pay taxes where required by law. Use insurance where appropriate for your home, vehicle, business, or health. Diversify your investments instead of placing all your money into one opportunity. If one investment performs poorly, others may continue supporting your financial goals. Teach your family about money. If only one person understands financial discipline while everyone else spends carelessly, building wealth becomes difficult. Encourage saving, budgeting, investing, and responsible spending within your household. Financial knowledge shared across generations creates stronger families and better long-term outcomes. Patience is essential. Many people give up because they expect dramatic results within a few months. Wealth usually grows through consistent habits repeated over many years. Saving Kenya shillings 5,000 every month may not seem impressive today, but regular saving combined with wise investing can produce meaningful results over time. The secret is consistency rather than perfection. Finally, remember that becoming wealthy in Kenya is not about luck. It is about earning honestly, spending wisely, saving consistently, investing patiently, learning continuously, and avoiding unnecessary financial risks. Every successful investor, entrepreneur, farmer, professional, or business owner once started as a beginner. You do not need to have millions of Kenya shillings before taking your first step. Start with the income you have today, improve your financial knowledge every month, and remain committed to your long-term goals. Small, smart decisions made consistently over many years are what eventually create lasting wealth.